Hello viewers, I'm Rohit Khurana from Intellect Digest. In this video, I'm going to give you a hands-on review of the Nokia Lumia 520, which is the budget series Windows Phone 8 device from Nokia. This is the recent entry into the Nokia Windows Phone 8 series. This is the lowest priced phone in the segment and should be priced somewhere close to 10,000 rupees here in India, which is a very competitive pricing. We have shown you the video of 510, which is a Windows Phone 7 device, but this takes it to the next level. I'll first show you the hardware and then we'll talk about the feature and specifications. As you can see, it's very comfortable and easy to hold in one hand. The display is 4.3 inches. The phone is very sleek and also fairly light. It has got 3 physical buttons on the right hand side. The middle one is a power or wake up key, the bottom one is a dedicated camera key, and the top one is a volume rocker. The left hand side is totally clean. On the rear you have a 5 megapixel camera with autofocus, but this is without flash. Nokia branding here, speaker mesh over here. On the top you have a 3.5mm audio jack. At the bottom you have a micro USB port for data transfer as well as charging. A micro SD card slot here and the SIM card slot here. This is a normal micro SIM. The battery here is BL5J, which has a battery capacity of 1430 milliampere hours. This is the back flap. Let me put it in. So it flaps on very nicely. The build quality of Lumia 510 looks quite robust. As you can see, the quality of material used is robust and solid. Now let me quickly unlock the screen and show you the device. This is the typical Windows Phone 8 OS. So quite familiar interface, very easy, very comfortable to use, fluidic interface. There is no lag whatsoever. Talking of the features and specifications, it is powered by a 1 GHz Qualcomm processor, which is a dual core processor and has 512 MB of RAM. The display resolution is 800 by 480 pixels, which is fairly decent. As you can see here, there is no problem whatsoever when it comes to display resolution. The visuals are coming out to be very nice. So I'll just click one for you here to show you the camera quality. This one has a 5 megapixel autofocus camera. I'll just quickly click a picture for you. And here we have the picture clicked right in front of you, and color quality as well as the sharpness of the picture is very impressive. I must say the camera is quite capable. There is no front camera on the Lumia 520, so you cannot do video calling using the front camera on this device. It can record high definition videos in 720p, so when you go to camera you can quickly switch to the video mode and you can start recording high definition videos at a frame rate of 30 frames per second, which is impressive in a phone of a price segment of around 10,000 rupees. It comes with many applications like Bigflix. There are some educational application, entertainment, lifestyle application. You can also install many more applications from the Windows Marketplace. So it comes with a host of features. In terms of internal memory, it has 8 gigabytes of internal memory, and you can add a micro SD card of up to 64 gigabytes additionally. You also get 7 GB of free online storage, the cloud storage from Microsoft SkyDrive. Talking of the functionality, it comes with Nokia Hair applications, so you get Hair Maps, Hair Drive, etc. Earlier they were called the Nokia Maps or Nokia Drive, etc. These are the same functionalities. These are very accurate maps and you can download the offline maps for the same. You don't need to be online to use the navigation as well as the other features that you get with the Nokia Maps. This is all we have for you on a quick review of the Nokia Lumia 520. We'll give you a more detailed review very soon. Stay tuned to Intellect Digest by pressing the subscribe button below. If you like our video, please press the like button below. This is Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.